man. Okay, what's up, guys? So, if you haven't already, okay, this is gonna be sideways, but if you haven't already, go check out my Twitch channel, which is Monster Ninja Elias. It's uppercase M, and then in Ninja, it's uppercase N. And then Elias, it's uppercase A. And you spell Elias like A-L-Y-I-S. Alright. Eagle my. So yeah, go check out my Twitch. I might be streaming in a couple minutes or an hour or so. So yeah, boys, let's do it. Quiet.